Don't miss this 2011 Toyota 4Runner. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a Blizzard Pearl exterior. With 20,618 miles, you'll want to take this car home. Make a great choice today. Contact us and see this car firsthand.